Think your pickup truck is already maxed out? Think again. We found 10 next-level inventions that'll blow your mind and totally upgrade your ride. From wild tech to must-have gear, these gadgets turn your truck into a beast of comfort, power, and adventure. So buckle up. This is truck innovation like you've never seen before. Take your truck camping to the next level with the Joy-Tutus Pickup Truck Tent 2.0. Designed for 5.5 to 6-foot beds, this double-layer tent fits trucks like the F-150, Silverado, Ram, and more. It's built with durable 210D polyester and a PU 2000 waterproof coating to keep the interior dry and clean, even during heavy rain. Setup is quick, thanks to color-coded poles and a clear user guide. The spacious interior fits 2 people and features 3 mesh windows for ventilation and privacy, plus a hook to hang a lantern at night. You also get a rainfly, carry bag, fiberglass poles, and internal mesh bags to keep your gear organized. Whether you're off-grid or parked lakeside, this tent turns your truck bed into a mobile base camp. Transform your pickup into a cozy mobile bedroom with the GoTD inflatable truck bed mattress. Designed to fit mid-size 5 to 5.5-foot beds like the Tacoma or Jeep Gladiator, this mattress offers a tailored fit and a detachable tailgate extension that boosts sleeping space by 30%. The built-in pump makes setup a breeze, inflating fully in just 54 seconds, no cigarette lighter required. With integrated pillows and a soft top surface, it ensures maximum comfort for truck camping. A wide, sturdy design prevents sagging and keeps you steady all night. It also comes with a large storage bag and is easy to clean. Whether you're off-roading or relaxing at a campsite, this mattress is the ultimate upgrade for any pickup. Say hello to the most accessible canopy in the world, the Utemaster Centurion. Built from tough aluminum, it's way stronger than traditional fiberglass canopies. With a dynamic load rating of 200 kilograms and static capacity of 600 kilograms using the cantilever roof rack, it's ready for serious work. But what really makes it stand out? Full-width side doors that give you complete access to your gear, no matter where it's stored. No top-edge obstructions, no hassle. Customize it with optional features like a ladder roller or cantilever rack, and thanks to its no permanent fixtures design, it's easy to install or remove. Whether you're on the job site or heading off-grid, this canopy adapts to your lifestyle. Durable, functional, and backed by a 3-year warranty, this canopy is built for those who don't mess around. Draining your battery to power gear on the road? The ARB Slimline 100 offers the perfect solution. An ultra-compact, full-featured auxiliary battery system designed for off-grid adventures. With 100 watt-hour capacity and a 200 amps discharge for up to 20 minutes, it can easily handle demanding appliances like an induction cooktop or a 2,000 watt coffee machine. It includes a 40 amps 4-stage smart charger with dual input. Charge it via alternator or solar, with MPPT functionality for optimal energy use. Its slim profile fits in unused spaces of your pickup truck, giving you more room for what really matters. Built-in DC-DC charging, durable LiFePO4 cells, app-based monitoring, and a safe bolt mounting system make it both smart and secure. Whether you're powering lights or keeping your fridge running off-road, the ARB Slimline 100 puts portable power back in your hands. If you've ever struggled with lifting heavy cargo into your truck bed or cargo bay, this next gadget is going to blow your mind. The Lift and Slide Cart is a battery-powered, game-changing solution that completely redefines how you load and transport gear. Its innovative sliding mechanism lets you roll your cargo onto the cart and then effortlessly transfer it into your truck without lifting a thing. That's right, no more back strain, awkward lifting, or sketchy ramps. You can even slide the entire cart on and off your truck bed, making loading and unloading incredibly fast and efficient. Whether you're a tradesperson hauling tools, an adventurer loading up gear, or just tired of the struggle, the Lift and Slide Cart offers smooth, stress-free cargo handling like never before. Protect your truck bed with the Tiger Auto T1 soft roll-up tonneau cover, built for 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 models with a 5-10-inch bed. This US-patented cover features a heavy-duty 24/0 marine-grade vinyl surface and built-in horizontal crossbars for sturdy support. It rolls up easily for full bed access and includes aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps for durability. Sealed with Velcro on the sides and secured with a tailgate latch lock, it's built to withstand all weather. The adjustable tension system keeps the cover wrinkle-free and tight. Installation is drill-free, with all hardware included. Sleek, weather-resistant, and reliable, this is a truck upgrade you can count on. Meet the TIMESTAPS Truck Bed Organizer, the ultimate storage solution for standard pickup beds from 6'6" to 6'9". This heavy-duty slide-out mat comes with a set of adjustable and solid blockers that can be positioned around your gear to stop it from sliding around. Unlike traditional dividers, the blockers fit around any shape, perfect for tools, boxes, and odd-sized equipment. The slick surface lets cargo glide into place without lifting your tonneau cover. Setup takes under 5 minutes with no tools or drilling required. Whether you're hauling gear in your truck, van, or trailer, TIMESTAPS fits and removes easily, offering serious versatility. And when you need full access for a gooseneck hitch, just pull it out. It's that simple. Keep your gear secure with the Rocket Strap's heavy-duty cargo net. Built tough with 5mm mesh and a braking strength of 430 pounds, this net is ready for the heaviest loads. It includes 12 black carbon steel carabiners for rock-solid hold. Whether you're headed out for camping, loading up a truck, securing a kayak, or organizing equipment on a boat or during a move, this net covers it all. Easy to use and remove, its flexible design fits most vehicles, making it incredibly versatile. UV and weather-resistant, it's perfect for any environment. Plus, it comes with a heavy-duty drawstring bag for convenient storage. Made with top-tier rubber, this net is built to last through any road trip, job, or off-road adventure. Need rugged, reliable storage for your spare tire and off-road gear? The DV8 off-road truck bed mount has you covered. Built from 3.5mm steel with a black powder coat finish, it's tough enough for the trail and clean enough for daily use. It fits tires from 7 to 14 inches wide and can even haul bikes or dirt bikes. The side MOLLE panels are perfect for mounting Rotopax cans, recovery tools, or any MOLLE-compatible gear. With 4 L-track points and a 3-point tire strap, your load stays secure on the move. It's easy to install, no need to get under the truck bed, and depending on your setup, you can even mount 2 side by side. Whether you're hitting the trails or heading to the job site, this mount turns your bed into a battle-ready cargo zone. If you're rolling with a pickup, RV, or trailer, this gadget is a total game-changer. Meet the TIMESTAPS RV tire pressure monitoring system. Right out of the box, it's sleek and smart, rocking a full-color LCD display that auto-adjusts for day or night driving. It comes with 4 compact sensors that are not only waterproof but also super easy to install. No pairing needed. Just screw them on and you're set. The system kicks into gear with 5 built-in alarms, ready to alert you for leaks, pressure drops, overheating, and even sensor battery issues. And the power? All solar charged. But if the sun's hiding, just plug it into your USB or car charger. With a pressure range from 0 to 87 psi and solid signal strength, it's perfect for pickups and trailers alike. So, which of these epic inventions would you add to your truck first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome upgrades, and hit that bell so you never miss the next level of pickup tech. Until next time, stay geared up and drive bold.